Hello students, now in algebra Ex3.2 first Roman third sum we are going to see. So till the first sum and second sum you got same idea. So rendulayum ore mari concept da we use that highest power, then we took highest power as divided, lowest power as divisor. So rendume adu easy differentiate panni pannum. Now see this x is problem 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 12x squared minus 24x. And second polynomial 4x power 4 plus 14x cube plus 8x squared minus 8x. இப்போ ரெண்டுலயுமே highest power ன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா power 4 தான் கம்மி. So power 4ல இருக்குது and all the term having some common multiples also. இந்த first polynomial ஒரு common multiple இருக்கு, second polynomial ஒரு common multiple இருக்கு. First we are going to factorize that one. Factorize பண்ணிட்டு பண்ணோம்னா it is easy to solve for us. So here 3x power 4, இங்க x power 4, x power 3, x power 2, x. Coefficients பாருங்க 3, 6, 12, 24. All multiples of 3. So from this polynomial we can take 3 common. Isn't it? Now take 3 common means you will get here 3 into x power 4 plus 2 into x cube minus 4 into x squared minus 8 into x. And see here x variable also common in all the term. So at a time we can take all the variable, common value, common number and variable also we can take out. So here 3x into this will be x cube plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8. So without writing this step directly we can write this one also. So உங்களுக்கு புரியணும்ங்கறதுக்காக first I wrote common number, then variable also I check that variable also anything is common that we can take out. So 3x into x cube plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8. Okay, same like second polynomial directly I will take variable with the number. So inge 4, 12, 14, 8 and 8. So this எல்லாத்துலயும் common table என்னன்னா 2. So 2 and variable also common here. So I am going to take here 2x into. So inside what you will get 2x cube. So 1 2 come outside means balance another 1 2 is there. So 2x into 2x cube plus 7x squared plus 4x minus 4. Okay. Now easily we can identify which one is f of x and g of x. Now see here x cube, here also x cube. But the coefficient of x cube here is 1, here 2. So we can say this polynomial is f of x and this one is g of x. So we can write f of x is equal to 2x into 2x cube plus 7x squared plus 4x minus 4. And g of x is equal to 3x into x cube plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8. So நம்ம முதல்ல இப்ப ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணிட்டோம் which one is f of x, which one is g of x. இப்போ இதல பாருங்க outside bracketல we are having the variable with the number. Here 2x, here 3x. இப்போ இதிலேயுமே நமக்கு common term இருக்குது. So now first we are going to simplify inside bracket values. We are going to find the GCD. Then we have to connect with this outside term. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டு termலயும் பாருங்க 2x இங்க 3x. So common term for a common GCD of this 2x and 3x is x. So GCD of 2x and 3x is x, and these two polynomial we are going to calculate and both we are going to combine and write. See, let us see how we are solving this one. So first we are going to write inside greatest term. So f of x இங்கிறது 2x cube plus 7x squared plus 4x minus 4. So outside divisor part is x cube plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8. Now divide first term by first term. So what is the first term here? 2x cube. Here first term is x cube. We can cancel these two, so we will get number 2. This 2 we are going to write in quotient part. So 2. Okay. Now you take 2, multiply this polynomial and write answer here. So 2 multiply with this one means you will get 2x cube plus 2 into 2 4x squared, 2 into minus 4x that is minus 8x, 2 into minus 8 is minus 16. Okay. Now we are going to subtract the 2 polynomial. That is we are going to change the sign for second expression. So sign change பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get here minus, this will be also minus, here minus term will be plus, here also plus. Okay. Now plus 2x cube minus 2x cube. So both getting cancelled. 7x squared minus 4x squared. So you will get 3x squared. Then 4x plus 8x. 4x plus 8x is 12x. Minus 4 plus 16. So plus 12. Now see here x cube term, here x square term. We can't able to proceed. So first step we are going to see any value is common here. 3 is common, no? So we can take 3 outside. 3 into x squared plus 4x plus 4. Now the polynomial was not equal to 0. That means remainder is not equal to 0. So we are going to proceed one more time. So remainder 0 varlena one more time same like we are going to divide. Now see that remainder will be now divisor. X squared plus 4x plus 4. And the previous concept la divisor in that expression we are going to consider as dividend. So x cube plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8. So first division பண்ணும்போது remainder 0 வரலைனா அந்த கான்செப்ட்ல இருக்கிற டிவைசர்ங்கிறது டிவைடண்டா சேஞ்ச் ஆயிரும், ரிமைண்டர்ங்கிறது டிவைசரா மாறிடும். இதுதான் நம்ம யூக்ளிட்ஸ் டிவிஷன் லெம்மால லேர்ன் பண்ணது. அந்த ஐடியாஸ் இந்த அல்ஜிப்ரிக் பாலினாமியலை நம்ம அப்ளை பண்றோம். Now first term by first term, x cube by x squared. So divide these two means you will get x. So on the x we are writing in the quotient part. Now you take x and multiply with these three. So what you will get? X cube plus 4x squared plus 4x. Okay. Now we are going to change the sign. That is we are going to subtract these two. So minus, here also minus, here also minus. So you will get, can get cancel these two x cube and x cube term. Then 2x squared minus 4x squared. This to subtract means you will get minus 2x squared. Minus 4x minus 4x. So you will get minus 8x. Next last term you have to take it out, that is minus 8. Okay. Again first term by first term. Minus 2x squared by x squared. So in the calculation compulsory kadiyadu. After practicing some problem, without doing this step you can write directly. Okay. Now minus 2, so we can write in the quotient part. Minus 2 எடுத்து multiply these three terms and write here. Minus 2 into x squared is minus 2x squared. Minus 2 into 4x is minus 8x. Minus 2 into plus 4 is minus 8. Then we are going to subtract. Change the sign. So all the three terms will be plus term. Now all three terms is getting cancelled. We can cancel these three. So we will get remainder 0. So remainder 0 vandachu. So GCD of the polynomial f of x and g of x we are going to take. So before writing that step, you should write GCD of 3x, 2x. f of x லையும் g of x லையும் common factor நம்ம எடுத்திருந்தோம். That values we know 3x and 2x. So GCD of 3x, 2x. But GCD na we know the variables, common variables, number coming means in a common number we will consider. For 3, 2 la no common value, but variables are common. So we can say GCD of 3x, 2x is x. Now we are going to write GCD of f of x and g of x is, we calculated GCD of the two polynomial is x squared plus 4x plus 4. And the two terms are on we took. Both also product form only. So finally we can write this one as GCD of f of x, g of x is equal to x into x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay. Still now you studied about GCD. So on the GCD concept exercise problem, example sums repeated practice பண்ணும்போது you can get clear idea about GCD. Next we are going to see LCM. So LCM நீங்கள் ஒரு class learn பண்ண concept தான். Let us recall its formula. LCM is equal to common factor into other factors. அதுக்கு ஒரு simple example numbersல கொடுத்திருக்கிறேன். அதே logic தான் நம்ம algebraic expressionக்கு யூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். So first we will see the simple example. LCM of 5, 12, 18. So all these numbers we have to convert into product of prime numbers. So first 5. The 5 is a prime number only. So directly we can take here 5 power 1. Then 12. 12 is a composite number. So composite number we are going to convert into product of prime numbers. So division method we are applying. The division method உங்களுக்கு எல்லாரும் தெரிஞ்சதா, அதை apply பண்ணி we are writing this one as 2 power 2 into 3. Then 18. So 18 also composite number. So we can change into product of prime numbers. So division method apply pandrom. So we are getting the term 2 into 3 power 2. So kuduthirukra numbers just I converted into product of prime numbers. இப்போ இதில இருந்து common factor பார்க்கணும். Then highest power. Highest power இருக்கிற terms first we have to write. Then multiply by its other factors ங்கிற concept. See here 5 only one term is there. So there is no number 2 and 3. So இது ரெண்டுலயும் பாத்தீங்கன்னா 2 number is common, 3 also common. Now in the 2 and 3 la highest power you will see, that is 2 power 2, 2 power 1. That means highest power of 2 is 2 power 2 into, then 3 here 3 power 2. So highest power is 3 power 2 into. So common factor we have written. அடுத்தது common factor into other factor. Other factor is here only one number 5. So அதை into 5 mark பண்ணியாச்சு. Then you multiply and write, you will get number 180. Same idea we are using in algebra also. So LCM of 2x squared y, 3y squared z. இப்போ இந்த ரெண்டுல first number பாருங்க. So 2 and 3 both also different number. So we can write the two numbers also first. Then int. Here x squared variable is there. Here no x variable. So then y variable here having. Here y squared is there. Highest power of y is y squared. Then this is common factor we have written. Other factors la varumbodhu here the variable x is there, x squared into one more z variable is there. So common ஒரே ஒரு term மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு, that is y. Remaining term எல்லாமே that is other factors concept ல வந்துரும். So 2 into 3 into y squared x squared z. So multiply பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get 6. I'll write in order x squared y squared z. So variables with the number combination la கொடுக்கும்போது we can use this method. So இதல வந்து we are going to use our algebraic identities also. Some places we will use factorized method, some place we will use algebraic identity method. Okay, now we will see one or two sums. Now using that idea you can do other remaining exercise problem. Let us see that exercise problem, second Roman. First sum, find the LCM of the given polynomials. In the first problem they gave 4x squared y, 8x cubed y squared. இப்போ இதில் 4 and 8 இந்த ரெண்டுமே வந்து காம்போசிட் நம்பர். 4 and 8 are composite. ஸோ முதல்ல வந்து இது ப்ராடக்ட் ஆஃப் ப்ரைம் நம்பர் ஃபார்முக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு தென் we can write its LCM value. So 4x squared y we can take as 4 we can write 2 into 2. That is we can say 2 squared x squared y. Okay. This 8x cube y we can write as 8 is 2 cube into x cube y squared. Okay, now we are going to write LCM of 4x squared y and 8x cube y squared. See here, இப்போ இது ரெண்டுலயே பாருங்க 2 squared 2 cube. So highest power of 2 is 2 cube. So all common term இருக்கிறதுனால we are writing its highest power. இப்போ x squared variable, here x cube variable. What is the highest power of x? 3. So we can write here x cube. Into here y squared. So highest power is y squared. Now 2 cube value we know 8. So finally we got 8x cube y squared. So 2 cube க்கு 8 mark பண்ணிட்டோம். Into the product symbol mark பண்ணுங்க necessary இல்ல. Directly we can write 8x cube y squared. So இந்த variablesல காமனா இருந்ததுனா we are writing the highest power. Suppose இதுல ஏதாவது additional ஒரு new variable கம்மினா that one we will add as other factors concept. Okay ma? Now see the next sum, that is in second Roman fourth sum we are having p squared minus 3p plus 2. Here given trinomial. Another one is p squared minus 4, that is binomial term. எப்பயுமே இந்த trinomial கொடுத்திருந்தாங்கன்னா two possibilities we can think. That is there we can apply either a plus b whole square formula or a minus b whole square formula. அது easy identify பண்ணிக்கலாம். How means first term square number, the last term also square number. So the both also square number like coming in, we can use the formula either a plus b whole squared or a minus b the whole squared. So here see p squared minus 3p plus 2. The 2 is not in square form. அப்படி இருந்ததுனா next we are going to use factorized method. That is some product like you try no, that method we are going to apply. See how we are going to take. So p squared minus 3p plus 2 equal to. So I am going to take here some product. Sum under we are going to take the quotient of p, that is minus 3. So along with the sign we are going to take, that is minus 3. Then 2 here coming, no? The 2 multiply with the coefficient of p squared. So here no number, that means 1. 1 into 2 is 2. So product place we can take number 2. Okay, so first we are going to identify what is sum number, what is product number. Then we are going to find the 2 number. The 2 number you multiply means you should get the value 2. The same 2 number add means you will get the number minus 3. Like that we are going to select the tables. Here 2. So 2 ones are 2. So easily we can say 2 ones are 2. Multiply means 2. But here minus 3 wants to come, no? So I am going to include here minus, here also minus. Now let us check. Minus 2 minus 1. If you add means we will get minus 3. And multiply these two numbers. Minus into minus plus. 2 ones are 2. So minus 2 minus 1. So we can write this polynomial as p minus 2 into p minus 1. Okay. So the product will be p squared minus 3p plus 2 will be p minus 2 into p minus 1. Okay. Now see the second one, p squared minus 4. So now this number I am going to take p squared minus 2 squared. So the 2 terms varumbodhu only possible either a squared minus b squared formula or taking common value out. The two possibilities da irukudhu. Ipo inga 4 ngiradhu we can consider as 2 squared. So p squared minus 2 squared. What is the formula? A squared minus b squared. A plus b into a minus b. I think this formulas you studied in from 7th onwards. So you are using that idea, we are writing this expression will be p plus 2 into p minus 2. Okay. Now we are going to find the LCM of the given two polynomial. Here I am going to take the first one as f of x and second one I am going to take as g of x. Now see LCM of f of x comma g of x. What is the formula we will use for LCM? LCM what is the first common factor. See this product, here p minus 2, here also p minus 2. So we are going to write once p minus 2. Common factor into, other factor is what? P minus 1, here p plus 2. So into p minus 1 into p plus 2. So this one we can write as p minus 2 into p minus 1 into p plus 2. Okay.